The Fourier series of a periodic function shown the figure. One figure is given like this. F of x they given mod sin x, right? And any function we can represent as an cosn x plus bn sin x, sigma n is equal to 0 infinity. But instead of an they used alpha n, instead of bn they used beta n. Alright. Now which of the following coefficients are non-zero? Right. So f of x is mod sin x, right? So this is an even function, alright? Mod sin x is an even function. So bn value is equal to 0, right? Bn value 0. Coefficient beta n value is 0. Now where alpha n, right? Alpha n it is non-zero, it is not equal to 0. But it is 0 for, it is non-zero for odd n or even n, that we need to check, right? So we can find alpha n value. See look here, what is alpha n? This is an cosn x format. Instead of an they used the letter alpha n, and beta instead of bn they utilized beta n, right? So what is n value? N value is equal to 1 by pi minus pi to pi f of x. F of x is what? Sin x, right? Sin x and cosn x dx, right? F of x cosn x dx. Alright. Now it is very clear, if this n for which value it is non-zero, for even or odd. Suppose odd value you select, immediately you can tell. See, suppose n is equal to, you put 1 is an odd value, that is odd number, right? Then this becomes sin x cos x. Sin x cos x is what? 1 by pi, right? Minus pi to pi. What is sin x cos x is sin 2x by 2. Sin 2x by 2. Then 1 by 2 pi, right? 1 by 2 pi. Alright, sin 2x is minus cos 2x by cos 2x by 2, and limit is varying from minus pi to pi, right? Now this is definitely non-zero, right? That is minus 1 by 4 pi, alright? Here cos 2x, cos 2 pi, what cos 2 pi is, that is cos 2 pi is 1 minus cos of minus 2 pi, that is again 1. So this is equal to 0, right? So for odd value it will be 0, alright? Then, but you know that then put even values, right? Then it is non-zero. Then alpha n is 0, non-zero for even numbers. That means which is the option? Because odd value it is, we already substituted, we get 0. Now alpha n for even n, what it is not equal to 0. Alright, then option B is correct. Alright.